Let's unbox ORLY's LED 900 FX lamp together. The cordless, rechargeable, lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go nail techs and salon techs looking for a more portable option so your desk can be free of tangled-up cords. This lamp comes in 3 stunning colors, and you can see here that we have the teal lamp, but it's also available in pink and white to match any salon decor. The first thing you'll see when you open it up is your quick start guide. Make sure to read this before using your lamp so you can be sure to use and care for your lamp correctly. Packed inside the lamp, we have our rechargeable battery pack that matches your lamp color. And you have your power cord. Take a look at this gorgeous LED lamp with a beautiful matte finish. The bottom tray pops on and off easily thanks to a few magnets, and you want to be sure to remove the plastic wrap off of the bottom tray before using your lamp. The removable bottom tray makes it incredibly easy to sterilize after each client and is perfect for pedicures. Pop in your rechargeable battery pack until you hear a nice click, and it's really important to fully charge your lamp before the first cordless use. So plug your power cord in and let it charge away. You'll notice there's 39 high-quality LEDs positioned to cure all 5 fingers or toes at the same time. These LEDs are controlled by the panel on top, with a 10-second timer designed for flash curing when you need it, 30 seconds for nearly all GelFX and ORLY Gel products, and 60 seconds for products like our GelFX matte top coat that need a little extra curing time. The on-off button will do a few things. A long press will turn the lamp on and off. A short press will initiate the low heat mode variable intensity program. The light will start at the lowest intensity, and after 10 seconds it will increase to medium. After 30 seconds, increases to its usual full curing power. This is designed to prevent heat spikes by gradually increasing the light intensity. Definitely give it a try for sensitive clients and thicker gel layers. With this chic, lightweight design, it'll complement the aesthetic of any nail desk and be your go-to lamp for all your editorial work and mobile clients.